Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jules and I am going to be working on my garden today with my husband, Manny. This is a little cottagey area that I didn't do much with. It's just to sit and chill. But I haven't had a vegetable garden in about 5 or 6 years and I really want one. So we're going to change it and take everything out and have some veggies in here. Hi, this is Jules. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it's like 60 degrees out and it's overcast, so it's a great day to try and get some stuff in pots. So I'm gonna work on this area right here. We took the bench out and it's in the front on the porch, and I want to utilize this spot for gardening. I did buy some vegetables and things. Now we had a couple of leftover pavers from when Manny redid the patio, and we were using that for the feet of the benches to sit on evenly. So we're just gonna move those out. Over the last couple of years, my back has gotten a lot worse than what it's been in the past, and so Manny's insisted to help me do all of the heavy lifting. So I really appreciate him for that. I started pulling these pansies out to clear the ground, but then I felt bad. I feel bad now taking these out because they're gonna die. Manny's just opening the box for me so I can just reach in there. But I have galvanized pots and I have an old tamale pot that I've had for a long time, but I have not been able to find the girl thing that goes in there, and I don't know where the lid is. So why not? And it's a pretty blue. I have these three right here, and then I have this big brown one. So I bought Calancho or Calanchoe. I like the word Calanchoe better. This is gonna go, those two are gonna go in the front pots. At some point I might take those out, I don't know yet, we'll see. I have a couple of petunias, got these at Lowe's. And then I got green bell pepper, Bonnie spinach. I've got 2 tomato plants. This one here is a genuine beefsteak. I want to try out the big ones. These are little cherries. I can't remember what they call them. Husky cherry. Sweet basil. This one's my zucchini. Zucchini squash. This one is cucumbers. And then this is my spinach. But this is all I got for right now. One thing I like to do is use coconut liners. I buy them in rolls, or if I can find them on clearance anywhere, and I use those to cover my holes in all of my pots. I like using old pots and galvanized buckets for my gardens, which is why we've never built any of like raised beds at all. I think for my back too, it's also better to have these on the table and in big pots so that I can tend to them better. So I'm just going to add some plant tone. I use plant tone and garden tone, whatever I can find on sale, and I use that for everything all over the garden. Now I noticed that this tomato plant, I could have split in half, so I did, so I can get 2 plants out of it. Tomato plants are like so resilient, so I had no problem just ripping it apart. One thing you might notice that I am not planting, and I never plant, are any kind of chilies. I am a big baby, and so it's never in my garden. Okay, now it's ready for us to put our stuff in there. The table looks so cute in there. I love it. We have one of the leaves up. The other one is missing, and I'll probably put that leaf down later on. But I want to put the big pots in the corners. These are going to have the cucumber and the zucchini, and the vines are going to grow long. So I wanted to give it enough of root space for them to do their thing. I am so used to doing everything by myself, sort of. I mean, Manny helps me all the time, but I'm used to just taking charge, and it's so hard to not grab the stuff and do the arranging myself. But Manny won't let me lift anything because, again, my back is pretty awful. I'm going to have surgery here, and I'll talk about that later. But I had fun. I love this space. I use Expert Gardener. I believe I get these at Walmart. Potting soil and garden soil. For a fertilizer, I like to use the Espoma Garden Tone. I used to use Plant Tone. Actually, I use either or, whatever I can find on sale, normally about $10, $11 a bag at Walmart. And I think I've gotten some from Amazon too. But I like to mix that in there. That way I can, it gives it a good charge for the plants to start their life. Manny's raking in some black bark that we've used for years, and it's held up in there so far. At an antique store, I found a milk jug holder. I think it holds 4 bottles, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I put some terracotta pots in it and some driftwood sticks. After a much needed break, this is my little garden, and we added a few other pots in here. I did put some terracotta pots in here with the cucumbers and I think the zucchinis too, because I don't want my neighbor cats to get in there and poop in there. One has done that in the past, and I didn't want that to happen to my poor plant. I have a tomato and a petunia, and I did take that petunia out and I put it in with the other petunia in that basket from earlier, but that's the beefsteak tomato. Also put tons of marigolds in here. You don't see them yet because I didn't get them yet. That was my rosemary, and then bell pepper in the back, basil, and one of the cherry tomatoes, and then the little cherry tomato by itself. And there's a little basket there. And back there is my spinach. And a volunteer strawberry plant I found in the garden. Have a penstem in there just for some pollinators. And one of my lantanas, my chamomile, and the petunias in the basket. And then just some rocks that I have and want to use it for decoration. And here is the zucchini. My mini little wheelbarrow with some saxifrage and a volunteer Cosmo. So what we're gonna do is put in a shepherd's hook for a bird repellent, because I've noticed they've been picking leaves off of some of my stuff in the garden, like my lavender. They had plucked a few of these up. My little pansies. Looks like something's been sitting on top of here, but they've been breaking these off. Little stinkers. So Manny's gonna put this up for me, this shepherd's hook. Probably gonna put it in this corner right there, but this little thing, look at that. Okay, honey, you do your thing.
What do you want?
Yeah, like right there is fine. Yeah. careful. Oh, give me that, because it doesn't. It's probably a rock in the way.
It was.
Yeah.
And this looks straight?
Yep. Oh, that was easy.
It was easy.
Okay. There we go. Stinky birds. Let me see if I can see any other spots where they've been picking. Oh, well, something's been eating at this. I don't know if they pecked it because there's like a little bit. Look at this little leaf. And it's always, where are they at? Those black ones. I can't get a good visual. I forgot to mention, you guys, this door has been in my garage for about 10 years now, and I didn't use it anywhere else, and I just pulled it out and I thought it would be really pretty in the garden. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.